In this video, I'll show you step by step how to gift a game on Steam. It's really easy, so let's get straight into it. Once you're on Steam, go to the top left corner and hover over your username. From the menu, click Friends. If the person you want to gift isn't already added, ensure that you add them first, so Steam can send the gift to their account. Next, head back up to the top left and click Store. Use the search bar and type Hades 2, or any game you want to gift. Click the game to open its store page. On the game page, click Add to Cart. Under the game in your cart, click the drop-down menu and select This is a gift. Then click View My Cart. Now click Continue to Gift Options. Steam will now show your friends list. Select the friend you want to send the gift to. After selecting the recipient, Steam gives you the option to schedule delivery for a specific date. This is really useful if you're buying early for someone's birthday or for Christmas, but you don't want the gift to be sent immediately. If you want the gift to be delivered straight away, leave it on the default option. Click Continue to Payment and choose how you want to pay. Once the purchase is complete, Steam will send the game to your friend and they'll receive a notification to accept it. And that's how to gift a game on Steam. If this helped you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.